If you've been considering installing solar panels, chances are that you've come across Tesla. And in this video, Elon Musk reveals cheap energy only for $2.21 for Texas within the range of 50 years. Wow, that's amazing, guys. According to a Houston-based venture capitalist who specializes in energy transition investments, Tesla's ability to offer rooftop solar, electric vehicles, and home battery storage in one package might put the business in a good position as an electricity supplier in Texas. Tesla has applied to Texas Public Utilities Commission to become a retail electric provider in the Electricity Reliability Council of Texas service area, which covers more than 80% of the U.S. state's electric load and oversees electricity markets. And while their website makes it appear like going solar with Tesla is the ideal option to have a futuristic house while also cutting your power cost, that actually might not be the case. Well, hello, and welcome everyone to the Tech Edge channel. We are going to discuss something that has earlier said. Elon Musk reveals cheap energy, only $2.21, can be used continuously for 50 years. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to get more of our uploads. Make sure you stay tuned till the end. We have a surprise for you. Neal Dikeman, a partner with the investment group Energy Transition Ventures, got in touch with the site to explain why he believed Tesla could execute a brilliant strategy in marketing a retail electricity offering to its existing customers, alongside its suite of various distributed energy resource products. Dikeman has helped launch several VC investment groups, including Royal Dutch Shell's North American VC arm, as well as startups in areas like software as a service and online discussion and networking forum, cleantech.org. Most Texas retail power is generally low-cost, driven by low-cost and deregulated gas, solar, and wind, so it doesn't have the regulated high time of use rates that have driven storage and solar penetration in markets like California. Neal Dikeman told Energy Storage in the News. However, retailers are free to develop a wide range of contracts with thousands of types, including all solar and nights and weekends free. Wholesale power for those contracts is often provided or backstopped by companies like my former employer Shell, who helped create the hedges and provide the power and credit products, which launched this market 2 decades ago. Retail electricity rates and gas prices in the region are low and flexible, he said, which has meant rooftop solar and EV penetration are still low, despite Texas having great solar resources. But with Texas already being a big and growing utility-scale wind and solar market, and ERCOT now seeing huge spikes in utility-scale energy storage project deployment of about 30 gigawatts in the Q, rooftop solar is just a matter of time, Dikeman said. One of the fascinating opportunities for Tesla is it can bring solar on the rooftop, EV, and home battery storage in one package. Adding retail energy is an obvious next move, and only possible in a deregulated market like ERCOT. If done right, it combines the demand response, home storage, solar, and V2G in one seamless wrap for the customer. It lets the retail electricity provider have multiple distributed and controllable generation and storage assets in the home, allowing them to rewrite the hedge and deliver the virtual power plant of the future, now at a better price than anyone else. Doing all of that, and then taking the automotive fuel bill straight from the wallets of companies like Shell and ExxonMobil into Tesla's pockets would be altogether a brilliant strategy in consumer energy if they commit to executing it. Tesla's new subsidiary, Tesla Energy Ventures, goes into testing for readiness with ERCOT in October. The company listed a large-scale energy storage project it is building as one of its key assets, along with energy resources at its Texas Gigafactory, which is under construction. Dikeman sees its ability to equip homes with distributed solar and storage as just as important. Dikeman said that one of his other ventures in Texas has been electrifying old buildings in Houston, antique homes, as he called them. Bungalows a century old are being converted into climate-friendly dwellings without natural gas as the homes are restored. While those rooftops wouldn't be suitable for solar, a company like Tesla could use the price swing between daytime and nighttime electricity to provide home resiliency using its Powerwall residential battery systems. The company's complete suite of products could also enable Tesla customers to use nighttime free power contracts to store energy in Powerwalls, something Dikeman said no other company currently has the ability to do alone. With Tesla providing the whole solution, it can absolutely deliver it and undercut the rest of the market, he said. Tesla's solar panels will cost around $2.21 per watt before the federal solar tax credit. However, the cost varies depending on where you reside, ranging from $2 to $2.51 per watt. Tesla's rates are lower than the national average for solar, which ranges between $2.60 and $3 per watt. Tesla has made buying solar panels as easy as buying a new shirt by offering standardized solar system sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. Tesla's easy ordering process is one of the reasons they have such low prices. Their brand name recognition also helps a lot. Tesla doesn't have to do a whole lot of work to get people to their website. People know Tesla, so they go right to it. This, plus the fact that their order process is entirely online, and they only offer 4 standard system sizes, eliminates a ton of overhead costs that many other solar companies face. Not to mention, Tesla is a large company. They can afford to undercharge for their panels and take a slight loss at the front end of the deal. How does it work? The solar panels will generate the most power during the day when the sun is at its highest point in the sky. Any excess energy generated by your solar panels that are not consumed by your home will be routed to the utility grid, or if you wish, to your Tesla Powerwall battery. When your home's energy use exceeds what your panels produce, you will draw power from the grid or your battery, depending on how your system is configured. The Gateway Monitoring System maintains track of this process, as well as the performance of your solar power system, which you can check using the Tesla app. Its performance. Solar panels lose their ability to produce as much power as they become old. Performance guarantees specify how much solar panels decline over time. Tesla's warranty claims that after 1 year of operation, solar panels will provide at least 98% of their original rated power. The power capacity of the panels will not decrease by more than 0.54% each year for the remaining 24 years of the guarantee period. This is by industry standards. Most panels have a 0.50% yearly degradation rate. Tesla's is somewhat higher, which isn't a good thing when it comes to degradation rate. The lower, the better. Tesla's panels may deteriorate somewhat faster than other solar panels on the market, but this should not be a deal breaker for purchasing Tesla solar panels. Elon Musk Tesla's Powerwalls came into the market with a boom and have been succeeding since, even though the entirety of his new business is still somewhat unknown. However, it seems that the initial strategy is to focus on Tesla's current customers. With this, Tesla has started opening solar panels, batteries, and vehicles with built-in batteries for sale. These elements might even function as a virtual power plant when combined. A virtual power plant can function like a traditional power plant by combining several smaller systems with a smart control platform with the connection of 50,000 residential solar systems. Tesla is already running a project of this kind in South Australia with a total generation capacity of 250 megawatts and a total energy storage capacity of 650,000 kilowatt-hours. Tesla would be able to store energy and sell it when electricity rates are high. Tesla Energy will be roughly the same size as Tesla automobiles despite all of this. Tesla has been involved in the power industry in the past years, but they have avoided direct electricity sales. Instead, they have concentrated on offering consumers behind-the-meter solar and storage systems, as well as energy storage systems for electric utilities. Tesla can now offer electricity plans to customers who already own their goods, taking advantage of the established brand familiarity. Tesla is now a great representative in Texas. This is the end of this session. I know you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, there will be giveaways at 1,000 subscribers. All you have to do to get in our giveaway is to be a subscriber and leave a comment. Thanks for listening.